Well, I have been performing since I was a child. I suppose I started off at family weddings and then progressed then to feshes and flags and whatever, you know. So it came through traditional singing. Oh, to be performing with Michael English is just a dream come true. He's a class act, so I'm really looking forward to working along with him. I had the pleasure of meeting Michael English for the very first time when I was invited by Paul Claffey and Midwest Radio to go along to their trip to Spain and Cadiz this year. So I was introduced to Michael in Spain and watched him, and I was in awe watching him perform, and that's when I got to meet him. Well, I have lots of performers that I admire, but the one that stands out for me is an American lady, not much taller probably than myself, Dolly Parton. I really admire her because she's an inspirational woman or lady. She's singer-songwriter, she has great entrepreneurial skills and has done a lot with her music to help others.